In the equation, negative x plus square root of a plus 7 equals 0. A is a constant. If x equals 5, what is the value of a? So we have given equation. Let me rewrite this equation as negative x plus square root of a plus 7 is equal 0. What else we have here? We have given that x is equal 5 and we need to find the value of a for x equals 5. So what we will do, we will substitute variable x by 5. So we have negative 5 plus square root of a plus 7 is equal 0. We have equation with one unknown a, and we need to find the value of a. So first I will move negative 5 to the right side. So we have square root of a plus 7 is equal, negative to the right, so it will be now positive 5. Because we have square root, to get rid of the square root, I will take to second power both sides of our equation. So when we take to second power, square root will reduce. Let me rewrite this. We will have a plus 7 to second power is equal 5 to second power. So like I said, square root we will reduce, and we have a plus 7 is equal 5 to second power is 25. So a is equal 25 minus 7. Now move positive 7 to the right, so it's negative 7. So a is equal 18. We found the value of a. What else you can do? You can always check. It means you have to come back to our equation and substitute a by 18. What will be? Negative 5 plus square root of a is 18 plus 7 is equal 0. We have to check. Negative 5 plus square root 18 plus 7 is 25. This is equal 0. Negative 5 plus square root of 25 is 5. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. Is equal 0. Everything is okay. So a equals 18 is our unknown. This is my solution.